Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I'm Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important, very well designed kind of session, Advanced Math Part 1. So please do join guys in this session, and once you join, do not forget to share the session with your friends, colleagues as well, so that they can also join in. So, as per the new planning, we are doing a advanced math session, which might include algebra, which might include geometry and trigonometry as well. If it is needed, then I will further classify them into individual topics. But if this is the best which you can think, then we will continue with the advanced maths mix sessions. Very good evening, Charlie. Very good evening. A very warm welcome to all of you, those who have joined. Just do one thing, guys. Once you join, please do let me know as well by your comments as well. Please do let me know by your comments as well, guys. That is absolutely damn required. Okay? Great. Good evening, everyone. Very good evening to all. So let's begin. In just a minute, we are going to begin it, and here it is. Okay, this is the schedule for today, which is running as of now. This is the schedule for today, which is running as of now. Today is a Tuesday, and I'm here 5 to 7 taking this session. After 7 to 10, Shashank sir is going to come to take your general awareness marathon. After 5 to 7, guys, Shashank sir is going to come again and will take up your general awareness session. So this is today's, this is today's extra huge efforts what we are putting. First question of the day. First question of the day. Give me the first answer. Tan theta plus sec theta is given. What is the value of cos theta? Tan theta plus sec theta is given. What is the value of cos theta? Fatafat. Tan theta plus sec theta is x minus 2, x plus 2. Tan theta plus sec theta is x minus 2 upon x plus 2. They are asking cos theta. Cos theta, you know, based upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is based upon hypotenuse. Denominator should be the largest. Here it is largest, can be the answer. Here it is largest, but not in a very good form, cannot be the answer. It can be, it can be. So we cannot judge as of now. We cannot judge as of now. Good evening, Gopinath. So just carry little bit more. So sec theta minus tan theta is inverse. Sec theta minus tan theta is inverse of it, x minus 2, x plus 2. Sec theta minus tan theta is inverse x plus 2 upon x minus 2. Add both. Adding both equations. Hello, Stalin, Shrivani, Gopinath. Adding both. On adding both, 2 sec theta will come. 2 sec theta will come. X minus 2 upon x plus 2 plus x plus 2 upon x minus 2. So, 2 sec theta will come. Taking the LCM x square minus 4. Taking the LCM x square minus 4. It is x minus 2 ka whole square plus x plus 2 ka whole square. A very important, hello Sanjeev and Sai Teja. Hello Sanjeev and Sai Teja. A very important algebra relation is coming. A plus B ka whole square, A minus B ka whole square is twice of A square plus B square. Is twice of A square plus B square. So 2 sec theta is equal to 2x square plus 4x square minus 4. 2x square plus 4x square minus 4. Gone, gone. So sec theta is coming out to be x square plus 4x square minus 4. So cos theta is inverse of it, x square minus 4 upon x square plus 4. Answer. Answer. Please do see out. Well done Sanjeev and Srivani. Well done Sanjeev and Srivani. Very good evening to all. Very good evening to all. Let's move on to the next question of the day, because we have taken a huge commitment. We need to follow up that commitment, guys, doing a lot of questions together. The next question of the day is in front of you on your screen. Get set on the mark, go. Get set on the mark, go. Come on. Sec into cos is 1. Sec into sine is, sec is 1 upon cos into sine. Okay, so this is tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. Tan theta is equal to root 2 minus 1. What is tan theta? Root 2 minus 1. 1 plus tan is root 2. So tan theta is root 2 minus 1. What is this? 2 sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. 2 sine theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. Why not divide by cos theta everywhere to make use of the tan theta value? Why not divide by cos theta everywhere to make use of tan theta value? I think that is a cool idea. So 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan theta. 2 times of root 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus root 2 minus 1. Is this idea cool, dear? I hope so. Yeah, that is cool. So this is 2 root 2 minus 2 upon 2 minus root 2. Rationalize by 2 plus root 2. Rationalize by 2 plus root 2. And let's see what happens. A square, this into this, 4 root 2 minus 4. And this is plus 4. And this is minus 2 root 2. Divide by 4 minus 2, 2. 2 root 2 by 2. Root 2 is the answer. What a great question. What a great question, guys. Please do find out. What a great question, guys. Please do find out. From your exam only. From your exam only. Let's reply me. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Obviously great. Obviously great. If my commitment is advanced math grade sessions, I mean it. If my commitment is advanced math greatest sessions, I mean it, guys. I am taking it. I'm taking it by hello Dana D. I'm going to take it by what do you say from kind of mixture. Then let's see what happens in 3 days based on your feedbacks. Based on your feedbacks of 3 advanced math sessions. By finding perpendicular base and but how? How? Stalin, no theta value was clear, na? No theta value was clear. Oh, ha. After knowing tan theta, yeah, after knowing tan theta, you can do it. Six, 8, 10 is a right angle triangle. 6, 8, 10 is a right angle triangle. The radius of the incircle is P plus B minus H divided by 2. The radius of the incircle is P plus B minus H divided by 2. 6 plus 8 minus 10 divided by 2. 14, like this is 14 minus 10, 4 by 2. 2 is the in radius. 2 is the in radius. What is the in radius? 2 is the in radius. So what is the area of the circumcircle? However, they are asking the circumcircle. Na? So in radius, what is the circumradius? Circumradius is hypotenuse divided by 2. And hypotenuse divided by 2 is 10 by 2, 5. They are asking the area of the circumcircle. So they are asking pi capital R square. They are asking pi capital R square, 22 by 7. Radius is 5 into 5. Radius is 5 into 5, which is becoming 110 into 5, 550 by 7. Pretty easily doable. Pretty easily doable. 2 things to remember. Ivan, Shrivani, Sanjeev, Stalin, and everyone, and Dana. 2 things to remember. Inside any right angle triangle, in radius is P plus B minus H by 2. And circumradius is hypotenuse divided by 2. And circumradius is hypotenuse divided by 2. What is the circumradius? Hypotenuse divided by 2. It should be remembered while sleeping as well. If you draw a incircle inside a right angle triangle, its in radius is P plus B minus H divided by 2 and its circumradius is hypotenuse divided by 2. Circumradius, hypotenuse divided by 2. Let's move on. MNOP is a parallelogram. PM is extended to Z. OZ intersect MN at Y and X. OX is given as 27. And XY is given as 18. You know these two triangles are similar triangles. So if the corresponding side is in the ratio 2:3, so corresponding side would also be in the ratio 2:3. You know these two are similar triangles. Corresponding side is in the ratio 2:3. So they should also be in the ratio 2:3. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. Total is 3K, this is 2K, this is K. In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. If this is 3K, this is 2K, then this is K. Chalo. What is the length of by Z? Acha. What is the length of YZ? Dear oh dear, these two are also similar triangles, ZMY and ZPO. ZMY and ZPO. If their corresponding side is in the ratio 1:3, if their corresponding side is in the ratio 1:3, then ZY, ZY and ZO would also be in the ratio 1:3. Then ZY and ZO would also be in the ratio 1:3. So if this is M, then total is 3M. So this middle value is 2M. This middle value is 2M. So 2M is equal to 45. What is YZ? YZ is M. So M is 45 by 2, 22.5. Great question. Great. Any doubt to anyone, guys? Going through the entire process, any doubt to anyone? Going through the entire process, any doubt to anyone? Two similarities. One between these two, then one between this and bigger. Small and bigger. A small triangle and bigger triangle. Next. Yeah, Sainteja, according to the new plan, looking at the weightage of advanced math, I'm going to take a advanced math session today. Okay. Then if you further ask Sainteja after doing these 2-3 days of advanced math session, if you further require to classify it further, like doing trigonometry individually, algebra individually, and geometry individually, then we will do it. But as of this planning, we are doing mix advanced for 3 days. And in these 3 days, definitely we would be covering near about 150 questions. Because today is my 4-hour session. Tomorrow is my 4-hour session. So we will reach near about 150 questions. If you can do these 150 questions, guys, in the next 3 days, if you can do these 150 questions in the next 3 days of advance, I can pretty surely say that each and every question is going to come from it only. Yeah. I can pretty surely say that all the questions are going to come from inside it only. Okay. Concept wise. A circle touching all the 3 sides of a triangle. A circle touching all the 3 sides of a triangle can be called as an incircle. A circle touching all the 3 sides of a triangle can be called as an incircle. So we can call it as an incircle. We can call it as an incircle. The in radius for a circle inside an equilateral triangle is a upon 2 root 3. The in radius for a circle inside a equilateral triangle is a upon 2 root 3. Likh lena, please do write. For equilateral triangle, in radius is a upon 2 root 3 and circumradius is a by root 3 for an equilateral triangle of side A. In radius is a by 2 root 3, circumradius is a by 2 root 3. Very easily it can be derived. Yeah, it can be derived very easily. So this in radius is the given as 4 and 12. So this is 12. 12 is equal to a upon 2 root 3. So A is 24 root 3. We cracked it without using this data. We cracked it without using the previous data. We cracked it because of our strong logics. We are able to crack this question, guys, because of your strong logics without even using this data of 4. Without even using this data of 4. In radius A by 2 root 3, circumradius A by root 3. Circumradius A by root 3. When you are drawing a circle inside or circumscribing a equilateral triangle. Please quickly share, guys. Sharing is at most important to us. Guys, I think you don't understand this point, that how much efforts we are putting in, how much efforts we are putting in. And how much it is important to you. Sain Teja, it is going to start from tomorrow. It is going to start from tomorrow. In the official, you are going to get the PDFs of all the 4 sessions. Okay. We will get the previous PDFs as well. We will provide the previous PDFs as well. One equation, two equation, 3 variable, 4 variable, guys. 2 equations, 4 variable. 2 equations, 4 variable, x, y, a, b. X, y, a, b. Why not assume a and b both as 1 and 1? Will it create a problem? If I assume both as 1 and 1, it can create a problem, my dear. So, assume it little bit else. Assume it anything else. Like 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Now, why do I say it can create a problem? Because here b square, 1 chi square is same as 1. 1 chi square is same as 1. So, this is the amount of common sense which you need to generate. Okay, if I take everything as 1 and 1, then these 2 options might become same. These 2 options might become same. So, I'm taking 1 and 2. I'm taking 1 and 2. Okay. I'm taking 1 and 2. And this is I'm taking 2 and 1. Yeah. B is 2 and this is 1. So, x plus y by 2 is equal to 3. And x by 2 minus y is equal to 9. And x by 2 minus y is equal to 9. Find out their individual values. Find out their individual values. I think divide by 2 in this equation. Divide by 2 in this equation. You will directly find out the value of x. Divide by 2 in the second equation and adding it, you can find out the value of x. X plus x by 4 is equal to x plus x by 4 is equal to 3 plus 9 by 2. So 4 plus 1, 5x by 4. 5x by 4 is equal to 15 by 2. 5, 3, 2, 2. So x comes out to be 6. X comes out to be 6, guys. What is x? 6. If x is 6, then x plus y by 2 is 3. You will take this over there. 3 is equal to y minus y by 2. So y is minus 6. Oh ho. Y is minus 6. Y is minus 6. So what is x upon y? X upon y is 6 over minus 6 minus 1. Whoever will give you minus 1 is your answer. Whoever will give you -1 is your answer. Whoever will give you -1 is your answer on putting y, b is 2 and this is 1. 2 plus 3, 5 upon 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 1. You can take the risk, only A will give. Because here we have taken that much different values that two options can't clash. We have taken two such values that option even can't clash. Got it? A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 2. You can try, guys. Options can't clash. They can't clash. Perfect. Two equations, four variables. So we assumed two values, A as 1 and B as 2. Why different? Why different? Because we are at a risk of option class. If we take the equal values, we are at a risk of option class. This has two factors. This has two factors. One is given, another is asked. One is given, another is asked. This is two factor, one is given, another is asked. This is given as 8. This is given as 4. So a square minus ab plus b square comes out to be 2. A square minus ab plus b square comes out to be 2. To find out AB, it is damn clear. To find out AB, it is damn clear that you need to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. To find out AB, it is damn clear, like you will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Subtract, sign interchange, plus, sign minus, minus. Gone, gone. 2AB is 4 minus 2, 2. So AB is 1. AB is 1. Why are the errors? Why are the errors other than D? Why the errors are Sanjeev and Gopinath? So point to be noted down. Point to be noted down is a की power 4 plus a square b square plus b की power 4 has two factors. A square plus ab plus b square and a square minus ab plus b square has two factors. And to add up to the knowledge, you can also write, sir, a square plus ab plus b square will also have two factors. A square plus ab plus b square will also have two factors. Can anyone tell me? A under root ab plus b, a minus under root ab plus b. Can you guys observe the pattern? Yeah, this is a identity, or you can say observation, the factors. A square plus ab plus b square is also going to have two factors, a plus root ab plus b and a minus root ab plus b. Well done, Gopinath. A plus root ab plus b, a minus root ab plus b. Perfect. I think hereafter Hereafter, you can write the formula for a की power 8 plus a की power 4, b की power 4 plus b की power 8 as well. Obviously, guys, a की power 4 plus b की power 4, a square b square. a की power 4 plus b की power 4, a square b square. a की power 4 plus b की power 4 minus a square b square. What happened? What happened? Sai, what happened, dear? Let's move on. Okay, well done, Shai. Keep on writing the things, guys. This class can become a lot of theory class as well. You can use this as a theory class as well, guys. Okay. The provided if you are writing at every question. If you're writing the important information at every question, you can make this question, you can use this question, you can use this class as a theory class as well. Okay. In triangle ABC, A is 90. In triangle ABC, A is 90. AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. AB is 12. AC is 16. What is the hypotenuse for 12 and 16? I think 20. The hypotenuse for 12 and 16 is 20. Just add up, you will find out hypotenuse would be 20. How can I say directly? Triplet of 3, 4, 5. Triplet of 3, 4, 5. 12, 16, 20. The length of BD is AB ka square divided by AC. BC, hypotenuse. The length of BD is AB ka square divided by hypotenuse. Similarly, the length of DC is AC ka square divided by hypotenuse. If you can't remember them, then you have to apply the similarity in the examination hall, which is like difficult for you. If you can't remember these results, guys, in that case, you have to apply the similarity, which is like next to impossible in the exam pressure. Which is like next to impossible in the exam pressure to apply the similarity. So only option left for you is BD is AB ka square divided by AC, matlab hypotenuse. BD is side opposite to it square divided by hypotenuse. And DC is side opposite to it square divided by hypotenuse. Otherwise, you have to apply the similarity live in the examination hall, which is very, very difficult, guys, to apply it correctly. So BD is AB ka square, 12 ka square divided by BC. BC is 20. 144 by 20. 72 by 10. 7.2. Amazing. Dear ones, Harish, Ivan, Shrivani, Charlie. Very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Look, this is such an important thing to write. Can you give me the length of DC? Can you give me the length of DC? 16 ka square divided by 20. 256 divided by 20. 128 divided by 10. 12.8. 12.8. Why I written this? Whatever we are reading is damn to the exam. Whatever we are reading is damn to the exam. Okay. 2021 pre. Next. This question, have we done it? Chalo, if we have done it as well, then also we will do it once again. Good evening, Vinod. You joined late. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. PQR are the points on. PQR are the points on ABACAC such that BQ is equal to PQ. So alpha 180 minus 2 alpha. Good evening, Sai. QC is equal to QR. Beta 180 minus 2 beta. And angle BAC is 75. So 75 plus alpha plus beta is 180. 75 plus alpha plus beta is 180. So alpha plus beta is 105. Assume this angle as theta. It's a straight line. 180 minus 2 alpha plus theta plus 180 minus 2 beta is 180 because it's a straight line. Because it's a straight line. So 360 plus theta minus twice of alpha plus beta is 180. So theta is coming out to be 2 times of alpha plus beta minus 180. Alpha plus beta is 105. 2 times of 105 minus 180. 210 minus 180. 30 is the answer. $30 is the answer, guys. 30 is the answer. Keep it up. Keep it up. Exciting journey. We are going to create it of the advanced math. We are going to create an exciting journey of advanced math, guys. Next. Yeah, I think these are the last two questions which I have write it down by hand. Now I got their PPTs, so I have taken them. So I have taken them. In triangle LMN, the bisector of angle L and the bisector of angle N intersect. The point of internal angle bisectors is called as incenter. This angle is 112. The point of internal angle bisectors is called as incenter. This is 112. And the value 112 is equal to 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2. 90 plus vertex angle divided by 2. So 112 is equal to 90 plus m by 2. So this is 22 is equal to m by 2. So angle m is 44. Okay. Angle m is 44. There were days, guys, when no shift was possible without asking this question. There was days in the SSC when no shift can be made without putting this question. I don't think so that days are still there. Looking at 2021 shifts. I don't think so those days are still there. However, it is also from 2021. Okay. But those days might not be there now, where each and every shift will get this question. I'm waiting, guys. I'm waiting, dear. In triangle ACD, B and E are the points on AC and AD. In triangle ACD, B and E are the point on AC and AD. Such that BE is parallel to CD. Such that BE is parallel to CD. CD is given as 9. BE is given as 6. So consecutive sides, the side is in the ratio 2:3. The opposite side is in the ratio 2:3. In case of similar triangles, AB is 5, ED is 2. What is the measure of length of AE and BC? What is the measure of length of AE and BC, guys? Vipin Jaiswal. Okay, BC and CD are corresponding sides. BC and CD are corresponding sides. They are in the ratio 2:3. They are in the ratio 2:3. So AB and AC would also be in the ratio 2:3. So if 2 is 5, then 3 is, I think, 7.5. So BC is 2.5. 2.5. Over. Over and out. Over and out. Yeah. Over and out. However, if you want to do it completely, then again you will say, sir, this total, this will maintain 2 and the total will maintain 3. So this is 3, this is 2, so this is 1 is equal to 2, then 2 is equal to 4. Any doubt to anyone, guys? He or she can ask me. Any doubt to anyone? He or she can ask me, guys. Come on, tell me. According to ratio, this is 1. According to ratio, this is 3. According to ratio, 1 is given as 2, then 2 is equal to 4. I don't think so it would be a problem. Next. Whenever, guys, you can always call me back. You can always call me back. You can always call me back. This is all for your understandings only. What is this? Height is 90 meter. Angle make 30 degree. 30 means ratio of 1, root 3 and 2. This is the length of the kite. This is the length of the kite, okay? This is the length of the, string. This is the length of the string. Find the length of the string. If 1 is 90, then 2 is 180. Be happy, guys. Be happy. It is also CGL 2021 pre. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Stalin. Yeah. That's a good point. That's a good point, Stalin. That's a good point. two circles touch each other externally. Two circles touch each other externally at T. At T. RS is a direct common tangent to the two circles touching the circles at P and Q. Okay, touching the circles at P and Q, so I would be very concisely taking it PQ. I would be very concisely taking it PQ. I would be very concisely taking it PQ. It might be a tangent like R here, S over here. So these R and S are of not importance to us. These R and S are not of importance to us. The points which is important to us are P and Q, and I am 100% sure without even seeing the question that they would not be asking the R and they would not be using the R and S further. The angle TPQ. Angle TPQ is 42. Guys, this angle is always 90. This angle is always 90. So this is the remaining one. 42 plus 90. Okay, if this is 90, some of these two should also be 90. So 48 is the answer. Anyone who has not seen its derivation? Anyone who has not seen its derivation, guys? Even I have taken it not for a long time. So the derivation lies over here. The derivation lies over here. From here, draw a tangent. From here, draw a tangent. Okay. From here, draw a tangent. If this is alpha, then this is also alpha because tangents are of equal length. These are also of equal length. So if this is beta, this is also beta. Now triangle is complete. Now triangle is complete. One angle is alpha, another is beta, and the third angle is alpha plus beta. Their sum should be 180. So 2 times of alpha plus beta is 180. So alpha plus beta is 90. What is alpha plus beta? This combined angle. That is why this is 90. Amazing proof. Very good proof, guys. So now you would be always using this as 90. Okay? Because from external point, two tangents are of equal length, so equal angle. From external point, two tangent of equal length, so equal angle. Alpha plus beta plus alpha plus beta is 180. Alpha plus beta is 90. Wow, यार. CGL तो बहुत बढ़िया हो गया है. Now CGL has become quite a quality exam. I'm very impressed by seeing some CGL 21 shifts. I'm highly impressed, guys, by seeing some 2021 shifts. So this means that you have to study maths. You have to study advanced math before pre. Otherwise, what used to happen? Generally, we used to study advanced math after the pre as well. But now, however, guys, if you have not done it yet, no issues. From my 150 questions, from my 200 questions, what I will take, might be all the questions might be coming. All the questions might be coming. Weapon, you are at high advantage. I want under 500, yeah. Again, not a pressure, only a motivation. Not a pressure, only a motivation, yeah. Yeah, Vinod, I'm there. You just don't worry about don't worry about it. I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. Whatever you want. Sec is 17 by 8. Sec is hypotenuse upon base. So perpendicular is 15. So perpendicular is 15. Perpendicular is 15. 34 sine A. Sine A is 15 by 17. Cot A is base upon perpendicular 8 by 15. 68 cos A. Cos A is 8 by 17 minus 10A. 10A is 15 by 8. At least our examiner is a kind-hearted person. 17 2 ja, 17 4 ja. 15 2 ja 30. 30 plus 8 by 15. And this is 32 minus 15 by 8. Guys, answer will come or not? Answer will come or not? Because you have also not given it as of now. Chalo, let's proceed. 15 3 ja 450. 450 plus 8. 458 by 15. And this is nahi aayega. Acha, means some error. Some coefficients can also be there as well. Hai na? Some coefficient should be there as well. What do you say? Some coefficients are missing over here. Should I check it fast or? $15 and $16. $15.16. $15.16. Multiply by 15, multiply by 16. $30 plus 8, 38. 32 minus 30. Yeah, Vipin, yeah. I also checked it, yeah. I also checked it. Next. Keep on sharing, guys. Keep on sharing. Sharing is the ultimate caring, yeah. Because we want our voice to be reaching to the maximum. We want our voice to be reaching to the maximum. AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. AB is the diameter of the circle with center O. AB is the center of the circle with center O. C and D are the points on the circumference on the either side. Either side means opposite side. Either side means opposite side. Either side means opposite side. Either of you, either of us, either you or me, either you or me. Opposite sides. So let's suppose C is here, D is here. Angle CAB is 42. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. So this is 48. Angle ABD. Angle ABD is 57. Diameter subtend 90 degree at the circumference. So this is 33. What are the measure of angle CAD? Angle CAD complete is 75. And what is the measure of angle CBD? CBD complete is 105. Answer. 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 CGL 2021 pre. CGL 2021 pre. Next. Hello. Come on, give the answers. Come on, give the answers. It is really disappointing that you are giving this answer. The answer is this. I was like waiting because of this point only. I was waiting because of this point only. It is clearly mentioned over there that a plus b plus c is negative. This is plus minus, this is only minus, so the answer is B. The answer is only B. Why you have given plus minus? Plus 2.7 is not the possibility. Very clearly mentioning that they are negative. So a plus b plus c ka whole square is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. Don't lose easy marks. Don't lose easy marks, okay? Otherwise, I'm not going to leave you. It's a war. The a plus b plus c will have two values. One is plus, one is minus. Plus minus 2.7. But it is very clearly saying that a plus b plus c is negative. It is very clearly saying a plus b plus c is negative. So we will avoid the positive value and give the answer only as negative value. Give the answer only as negative value and avoid the positive value. Harika, you are quite late. Quite means very quiet. Okay. This is, I think, done yesterday. Done yesterday. done yesterday, guys. If any one of you is interested in the solution of the previous question, please do find out the previous day's session. If still you find difficulties, guys, you can ask me in the comment box. I will do it again in the next day. Okay, each and everything is for your guys betterment, for your betterment. Okay, no issues, Harika. Yeah, there was some quite questions worth watching. You should. A cube plus 3a square plus 9a is equal to 1. What is a cube plus 3 by a? For 3 by a, 1 by a is necessary. For 3 by a, 1 by a is necessary. So divide by a. So divide by a. A square plus 3a plus 9 is equal to 1 by a. Now 1 by a is at you. Harveer, hello, Harveer. Now you want to make it 3 by a. You want to make it 3 by a, so multiply by 3 over here. So multiply by 3 over here, it will become 3a square plus 9a plus 27 is equal to 3 by a. Now what else, my dear? You want to add a cube. You want to add a cube. So add a cube on both sides. Add a cube on both sides. You are really interested about this part. And for your kind information, this part is already given as 1. And for your kind information, guys, this part is already given as 1. So I would be using its value directly to find out a cube plus 3 by a as 28. Very famous, very famous. Once upon a time in India. Yeah. And these are really wonderful questions. Really wonderful questions. Well done, Ganesh. Well done, Harika. Next. Well done, Harveer, Shine, Srivani, and all. Doable. For the past 5 years is being mostly learned to me. AB as shown in the figure, DP is 13. CP is 10. BP is 6. Right angle triangle. 6, 8, 10 is a triplet. 6, 8, 10 is a triplet. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So if this is 8, this is also 8. I will get it by AP by applying the Pythagoras. I will get AP by applying the Pythagoras. So AP is under root of 13 ka square minus 8 ka square. 169 minus 64 under root of 105. Under root of 105. By applying the Pythagoras, we will get it. Well done, Harveer, Srivani, Ivan, Gopinath, Harika, Rishabh, Srivani, and all. Next. Stalin, keep it up. When you remember it. This says something. This number says something. This number says something. If I convert it into, if I divide by x everywhere, then x plus 1 upon x will become 4. Then x plus 1 upon x will become 4. On squaring and double squaring, it can become 194. On squaring, it will become 4 ka square 16 minus 2 14. And on double squaring, it can become 14 ka square minus 2. So now you might have got that there was some connection. Now you can feel the connection that this 194 is x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x ki power 4. That this 194 is x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x ki power 4. So x ki power 9 plus x ki power 7 minus 194 x ki power 5 plus x ki power 3. If I put this as x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x ki power 4, I believe that none of you will mind. All of you will say, oh sir, you are doing good. I will not mind it. Minus x ki power 4 plus 1 upon x ki power 4 into x ki power 5 plus x ki power. For the first time in the history, you might be seeing that a value is being put in as x. Till now, we always put x as value. And now a value is being put as x. Okay. So, x ki power 9 plus x ki power 7 minus x ki power 9, this into this, and minus x. Okay. And here, minus x ki power 7 and minus 1 upon x. Gone, 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 gone. It is minus of x plus 1 upon x. Minus of 4 is the answer. Well done, Rijwan. Very well done, Rijwan. Keep it up. Keep it up. Okay, after the session is over, guys, you can also let me know about is these 3 advanced math session what I have planned. Should I continue or I should further bifurcate into trigonometry, geometry or algebra? Yeah, I would be asking for your suggestions. Or first we can continue like this, then we can bifurcate. Because these sessions will increase your thought process. If all the 3 topics will come simultaneously, it is better for you. It is better for you. There can be an option, if I remember, guys, it is possible that option may not match. So just have a belief on you or on yourself. It is possible that option might not match. Might not. However, I'm not very sure about it, but still. X cube plus 7x square plus 49x is equal to 1. I want to make 7 by x. I want to make 7 by x. For that, 1 by x needed to be made first. For that, 1 by x needed to be made first. Dividing by x throughout. I want to make 7x, so multiply by 7. So 7x square plus 49x plus 343 is equal to 7 by x. Okay, multiply by 7 guys everywhere. So 7 by x is known. Add x cube on both sides. Add x cube on both sides. This value is already known as 1. Three 44 is the correct answer. Okay. 344 is the correct answer. 344 is the correct answer. 344 is the correct answer. Let's move on, dear. Oh, I should check it now as well. I have the PPT open. If there would be any thing, then I would be doing it, the correction over there. Two sin A plus 5 cos A. Perfect. 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 Product 63, sum or difference 2. Basically, if this is negative, na product terms, then this denotes the difference. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. So 10 square A plus 9 10A minus 7 10A minus 63 is equal to 0. Take 10A plus common, 10A plus 9 minus 7 common. So 10A plus 9 is equal to 0. So 10A plus 9 and 10A minus 7 is equal to 0. Here it is minus 9, here it is 7. In the first quadrant, this is first quadrant here. This is first quadrant. In the first quadrant, 10 is positive. In the first quadrant, 10 is positive. So the possible value is 10A is equal to 7. So the possible value is 10A is equal to 7 upon 1. Perpendicular is 7, base is 1, hypotenuse is 7 chi square plus 1 chi square root 50. What is 2 sin A? 2 into 7 by root 50. What is 5 cos A? 5 into 1 by root 50. 14 plus 5, 19 by root 50 is the answer. Real image. Guys, should I tell you the banking quadratic here as well? Should I tell you the banking quadratic? The knowledge of banking quadratic? The knowledge of banking quadratic, guys, to write the roots very fast. Come on, tell me. Since I'm taking the banking exams these days as well, you might be knowing. So I'm becoming more complete. Banking, SSC and CDS and CAT. Yeah. So when a teacher will become complete, then the students will also become complete. Yeah. The point is The point is plus minus. For plus minus, the roots are minus and plus. For plus minus, the roots are minus and plus. This is the bigger root and this is the smaller root numerically. This is the bigger root and this is the smaller root numerically. Product 63, negative sign. So difference of 2. So difference of 2. So very clearly known 9 and 7. Minus 9 plus 7. Minus 9 plus 7. Bigger root numerically. Bigger root numerically is negative and smaller root is positive. So plus 7 is your 10. For plus and minus, the roots are minus and plus. For plus plus, both roots are negative. For plus plus, both roots are negative. For minus and plus, both roots are positive. For minus, here the coefficient of is 1. Here the coefficient is 1. So divide by 1. Yeah. Okay. For minus plus, plus minus. For plus plus, minus minus. Minus plus is plus plus. What is the case left? The case left is minus plus. This is I remember in the last. This I remember in the last. The case left is minus minus. The case left is minus minus. And for it, the answer is plus minus. For it, the answer is plus minus. How to remember, guys? How to remember? Let me give you once more. First, remember the easiest. The minus plus is both positive. Because these are the equations which we are reading from our childhood. Like x square minus 2x, x square minus 3x plus 2. Roots are 1 and 2. These are the equations which we are reading from our childhood. Minus plus, roots are positive. Then I remember plus plus as minus minus. Then I remember plus minus as minus plus. And I'm not able to remember the last one. So the last one is minus minus, which is 2 negative, so 1 positive. And here 2 positive, so 1 negative. This is, I never remember it. So this is the last case. So this is the last case. This is the sign of the bigger root numerically. And this is the sign of the smaller root numerically. Chalo, let's move on, dear. Oh. It has 2 factor x की power 4 minus 1 upon x की power 4 plus 1. Y square minus 1, y square plus 1. X is 2. A is 2 की power 4 minus 1, 16 minus 1, 15. Y is 9, 80. A is 15. A is 15, B is 80. A is 15, B is 80. 15 का square 255. Sorry, 225. 2AB. And what is AB square? 15 into 80 का square. 6400. Oh my dear, oh dear. Unit digit of 5. Unit digit of 5. 225 plus 30 into 80 plus 64,000 plus 32,000. 96,000. So this is the major contributor. More than 96,000 is the answer. More than 96,000 is the answer. Why, Vipin? What happened here? What happened here? This is 2400. This is 225. 96,000. 98,400. 98,225. 96,000. 2400. 225. It's matching. 98625. Vipin, please do cross check. Please do cross check, Vipin. Next. Next. How do we remember the answer? Angle QRU. $72. Angle TRS 15. Angle PSR 95. What is PQR? Theta. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of these two should be 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite two is 180. In a cyclic quadrilateral, sum of opposite two is 180. No use of this and this. No use of this and this. So 95 plus theta is 180. So theta is 85. 95 plus theta is 180. So theta is 85. Okay, cyclic quadrilateral. The property of cyclic quadrilateral, in any cyclic quadrilateral whose all the four vertices lie on the circle, sum of opposite angles is 180. Sum of opposite angles is 180. Next. Guys, I'm open to any kind of changes, yeah, in the planning of the session. So these 3 days I have taken as of now. I've decided only the next 3 days, 3 advanced math sessions. According to your requirement, we are ready to change the planning as well. We are ready to change the planning as well, depending upon your things. Yeah. However, I think these 3 sessions will work. These 3 sessions will definitely work, guys. Tomorrow is my 3 or more than 3 hour session on advance. Tomorrow is my 3 or more than 3 hour session on advance. So you can easily feel that sir would be covering more than 60 to 70 advanced problems. ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square. CDE is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, each angle is 60. What is BEC? What is BEC? This is very good problem. This is very good problem. For a square, guys, each side is A. And this one side is common to देखना शायद देखना पार्शल है सर okay guys, if one of the side of a rectangle is common to triangle, this means if a triangle side is A, this is also A. This is also. For a square, vertex angle is 90. For a equilateral triangle, vertex angle is 60. Now have a look at it. One side A, this side also A. Okay. And this middle angle is 90 plus 60, 150. If sides are equal, then angle opposite to them are also equal. 30 divided into two equal parts, theta is 15 each. Next. Is it was clear to all, na? Is it was clear to all, na? Sometimes we do the error in it, yeah? Sometimes we do the error in it. In triangle PQR, C is the centroid. PQ is 30. QR is 36. PR is 50. C is the centroid. The line joining the centroid to the opposite side is the line joining the centroid to the opposite side is the median. The line joining the centroid to the opposite side is the median. What will median do? Median will divide into two equal parts. Median will divide into two equal parts, 18 each. Median will divide the opposite side into two equal parts, 18 each. Now, what is the length of CD? For finding out the length of CD, first the length of PD is required. First, the length of PD is required. For finding out the length of median, what is the property? What is the theorem? The theorem is Apollonius theorem. The theorem is Apollonius theorem. There can be a spelling wrong. Please don't mind it. Yeah, Apollonius theorem. Apollonius theorem says that the sum of square of adjacent sides, the sum of square of adjacent side PQ square plus PR square is two times the median, that is PD ka square plus any half, either QD or DR QD ka square. This is your Apollonius. Who is this? This is your Apollonius theorem. the sum of squares of near about sides, the adjacent sides, is twice the sum of square of median and any one of the part. 30 का square 900, 50 का square 2500, 2 times of PD. PD want to find out, and QD is 18 का square 324. This is 3400, my dear. This is 3400. 3400 divided by 2 is 1700, I think. 34 divided by 2, 1700. 1700 is PD ka square plus 324. So PD ka square is, assume it 350. Assume it 350. So 1350. 1350 plus 26. 1376. Too much mind calculations, guys. Too much mind calculations. PD ka square is 1376. So PD is root of 1376. Take at least 4 common. 4 3 ja 12. 17 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. Oh dear, oh dear. 100% 86 will come, na? 100% 86 will come. So this is 86 into 4. So PD will become 4 into 4, 16 will come outside as 4. 4 root 86. PD is 4 root 86. PD is 4 root 86. PD is 4 root 86. Length of CD. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So CD portion is 1 by 3 of total PD. CD portion is 1 by 3 of total PD. CD portion is 1 by 3 of total PD. So 1 by 3 of PD, and PD is 4 root 86. 4 by 3 root 86. Quite a calculative problem. Quite a calculative problem. Quite a great one, quite a calculative one. Quite a great one, quite a calculative one. Apolloni's theorem at its best. Apolloni's theorem at its best. Okay? Apolloni's theorem, guys, at its best. It is used to find out the length of median. It is used to find out the length of the missing median. Okay? Next. Yeah, this was. QR is 50. If QR arc is subtending 50 at the center, if QR arc, or you can say RQ chord, is subtending 50 at the center, it will subtend its half 25 degree at the circumference. It will subtend its half, that is 25 degree at the circumference. You can either take it as an arc. Arc subtending 50 at the center, so half at the circumference. Or you can either take it as a chord subtending 50 at the center, so half at the circumference. The choice is yours. The concept is same in case of both chord and arc. Degradation of power. We are going to finish the session in the next 5 to 7 minutes. First, x की power 4 plus 1 upon x की power 4 is 47. Reduce the power, make the power half. How to reduce the power? Add 2, take square root. Add 2, take square root. 7. Again add 2, take square root. X plus 1 upon x is 3. X plus 1 upon x is 3. Open it, guys, to reduce into this form. Open it to reduce into this form. X square plus 1 is 3x. And open this equation as well. It's 4x square plus 9 minus 2ab, 12x. So basically x square minus 3x is minus 1. Basically x square minus 3x is minus 1. So if I take 4 common from here, it will become x square minus 3x plus 9 is equal to what? And I can use the value of x square minus 3x as minus 1. I can use the value of x square minus 3x as 9 and 1. No, so 9 minus 5, 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. Please do see out. Please do watch out. Each and every step clear. Each and every step clear, guys. Each and every step clear. So there was a small element of thinking involved. There was a small element of thinking involved. Other than that, there was nothing. Other than that, there was nothing. 1 or 2 maximum questions, guys. Last. CGL 2019 pre. CGL 2017 mains. Okay. Please do attempt it and then do let me know. A, B, X, Y. 2 equation 4 variable. A, B, X by 2 equation 4 variable. A, B, X by 2 equation 4 variable. Guys, do you also think this is very bad looking? Do you also think this is very bad looking? So assume this entirely as 0. देखते हैं what will happen. Let's see what will happen. Assume this entire value as 0. So x will come out as b and y will come out as b. Let's see, guys, what happens. We are in experimental mode. What is x cube plus y cube? X is b, so b cube plus b cube, 2b cube. And we have assumed this as 0. So please see 4a cube minus b cube over 3b is 0. So 0 means numerator is 0. 4a cube is equal to b cube. So I can replace b cube by 4a cube. I can replace b cube by 4a cube. Is it in the options? Is it in the options? Please do see. This was asked in pre as well, guys. This same question first come in mains, then it came in pre. This same question first asked in mains, and then it was asked in pre. Yeah. So there is a huge chances of a question which was asked in mains to be again repeated in the pre. Yeah. That is highly probable. Highly probable. Last question and wind up the session. Please do let me know, guys, in the comment box how was today's session. Please do let me know how was today's session. CGL 2019 pre, I think. As of now, I have only planned 3 advanced math sessions. If it is required to change the planning, we will change it later. But I have a huge expectations that the audience, the listeners, the students will like this advanced math 3 sessions. Huge love is expected in that form, in the form of content. Yeah, in the form of content, in the form of helpfulness, okay. I'm not expecting like okay, it is only in the form of usefulness, okay. Square it once. On a squaring, power will become half, like 1 by 8 will become double, that is 1 by 4. 1 by 8 will become double, 1 by 4. 1 ka square minus 2 minus 1. Again, square it, x की power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon x की power 1 by 2 is minus 1 ka square minus 2. It's a loop. Guys, it's a loop. Loop means minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So x की power half plus 1 upon x की power half is coming minus 1. You can say, sir, x plus 1 upon x will also come as minus 1. Because it's a loop. It's a loop. फंस गई है value. Minus 1 का square minus 2 is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. So it's a loop. X plus 1 upon x is minus 1. X square plus 1 is minus x. Or you can say x square plus x plus 1 is 0. Have you ever seen somewhere? Have you ever seen it somewhere? It's a factor of x cube minus 1 cube as x minus 1. X square plus x plus 1. So if this is 0, then x cube minus 1 is 0. Or you can say x cube is 1. Then you can say x cube is 1. So if x cube is 1, all its multiples are also 1. If x cube is 1, all its multiples are also 1. So 3, 6, 9, x की power 54 is also 1. Then here 57 is also 1. 1 into x is x plus 1 upon x is the answer. Loop. The question of the day. Loop, loop, loop. Perfect. Perfect. You will always identify some situations. Some situations are very important. Some situations are very important One of the situation is x square plus x plus 1 is 0. This is a situation of x cube minus 1 is 0, or you can say x cube is 1. This is a situation of x cube is 1. So from where this situation has come, x plus 1 upon x is minus 1. So x plus 1 upon x is minus 1. This says x cube is 1. X plus 1 upon x is minus 1. This says x cube is 1. Now try for x plus 1 upon x is 1. So it will become x square plus 1 is equal to x, which will become x square minus x plus 1. I think which is a factor of x cube plus 1. So here x cube is minus 1. X plus 1 upon x is minus 1. X plus 1 upon x is minus 1. It is a situation of x cube is equal to 1. It is a situation of x cube is equal to 1. And x plus 1 upon x is 1. This is the situation of x cube is equal to minus 1. This is a situation of x cube is equal to minus 1. There are 2 to 3 other situations. Please write it down. There are 2 to 3 other situations as well. One is x plus 1 upon x is 2. It directly says x is 1. It directly says x is 1. Another is x plus 1 upon x is minus 2. It also directly says x is minus 1. It also directly says x is minus 1. What are others? I am just missing it. X plus 1 upon x is root 3. X plus 1 upon x is root 3. X plus 1 upon x is root 3. What is the result from here? What is the result from here? On cubing, a cube plus 1 upon a cube is root 3 ka cube, 3 root 3 minus 3a. A cube minus 3a. 0. X plus 1 upon x is root 3, then x ki power 6 plus 1 is 0. X plus 1 upon x is root 3. This says x ki power 6 plus 1 is 0. X plus 1 upon x is root 3. This says x ki power 6 plus 1 is 0, or you can say x ki power 6 is minus 1. The last x plus 1 upon x is minus root 3. Again cube it. X cube plus 1 upon x cube is a cube minus 3a. I think it will not form any condition. Let's see, my dear. Minus 3 root 3. Minus 3 root 3 plus 3 root 3. It is again becoming 0. It is again becoming 0. So again x ki power 6 plus 1 is 0, or you can say x ki power 6 is minus. One more revision, guys. Last time, just quickly writing it fast and forward, in a fast forward manner. Fadafat. X plus 1 upon x is 2. X is 1. X plus 1 upon x is minus 2. X is minus 1. X plus 1 upon x 2. X is 1. X plus 1 upon x minus 2. X is minus 1. X plus 1 upon x root 3. X ki power 6 minus 1. X plus 1 upon x minus root 3. X ki power 6 again minus 1. Okay. Again x ki power 6 minus 1. Okay. What was the last? X plus 1 upon x is 1. In case of positive 1, x cube is minus 1. And in case of negative 1, it will come here positive. So it will become x cube minus 1. So x cube is plus 1. Perfect. Perfect. Oh my God. Everyone, please do cross check it